Hello viewers, myself Komal. Welcome back to my channel. So in the last video we are at exercise 5.3 example number 18. So today we are going to start with example number 19, in which we are having 200 logs are stacked in the following manner. Just like this, there are several rows. So 20 logs in the bottom row, 19 in the next row, 18 in the next row, and so on. So in how many rows are the 200 logs placed and how many logs are in the top row? Okay, so first of all we have to write the AP. Okay, so AP first क्या हो जाएगा 20, 90, 18 अप टू लास्ट तक जाना है, बट वी डोंट नो एग्जैक्टली कि कितना जाना है. एंड द सम दैट इज SN will be given, that is 200. So we have to find the and how many rows and how many logs are there in the top row. Okay, so let's get started. In which we are having example number 19. So let's just write. It can be observed that the number of logs in rows are in AP. So AP क्या हो जाएगा 20, 19, 18 up to dash. So the first term will be 20. The common difference is A2 minus A1, which is 19 minus 20, which is minus 1. And here there are total n logs and we are having SN, total number of logs, which is 200. We have to place 200 logs in this manner. Okay, so we have to use the formula, that is SN is equals to n divided by 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is 200 n divided by 2 into bracket 2 into 20 plus n minus 1 into minus 1. So therefore this is 400 is equals to n into bracket 40 minus multiply हो जाएगा तो minus plus minus, this is minus n minus minus plus 1. Okay, so therefore we are having 400 is equals to n into 41 minus n, because 40 plus 1, that is 41 minus n. So therefore we are having 400 41n minus n square. So if we get all of this on the left side, so we are having 400 minus 41n plus n square is equals to 0. Therefore we are having an quadratic equation, which is n square minus 41n plus 400 is equals to 0. Now we have to find the factors of 400, which gives answer 41. Okay, so you can factorize this, and we have minus 16 minus 25. Okay, minus minus हो जाएगा plus, minus minus addition, and the answer will be minus 41. Okay, so therefore we are having n square minus 16n minus 25n plus 400 equals to 0. Therefore n common, so this is n minus 16 minus 25 into n minus 16 is equals to 0. Therefore we are having n minus 16 and n minus 25 equals to 0. Therefore n is equals to 16 and n is equals to 25. So we are having two answers in a rows. Okay, so further we have to find how many logs are there in this particular row. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट्स जस्ट टेक n इज इक्वल्स टू 16. तो an फॉर्मूला रखना पड़ेगा, दैट इज an इज इक्वल्स टू a प्लस n माइनस 1 इंटू d. सो दिस इज a 16 इज इक्वल्स टू a, दैट इज 20 प्लस 15 इंटू माइनस 1. Okay, 16 minus 1, that is 15, and d is minus 12. So this is 20 minus 15, so the answer will be 5. मतलब अगर 16th row is the last row, then 5 logs are there in this particular log. Okay, or else if n is equals to 25, so what if we have to find a 25 is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d, which gives 20 plus 24 into minus 1, that is 25 minus 1, which is 24. So 20 minus 24, which gives minus 4. So this is not possible क्योंकि minus 4 कभी भी logs arrange नहीं हो सकते. So clearly the number of logs in 16th row is 5. Okay, so we are having, so therefore we can write that 200 logs can be placed in 16 rows, and the number of logs in the 16th row is 5. Okay. Now move on to example number 20, in which we are having the statement that here in a potato race a bucket is placed at the starting point. मतलब यहाँ पे वो उसको रखा गया है which is 5 meter away from the first potato. मतलब bucket से first potato के बीच का difference कितना है 5, and the other potatoes are placed 3 meter apart in a straight line. मतलब पहले 5, उसके बाद every potato, मतलब बास्केट से लेके फर्स्ट पोटैटो का डिफरेंस है 5, उसके बाद जो ग्रेजुअली पोटैटोज रखे हैं उन सब का डिस्टेंस है 3 मीटर. सो देर आर 10 पोटैटोज इन द लाइन्स. ओके, सो देर आर 10 पोटैटोज. ओके, अ कॉम्पिटिटर स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम द बकेट, पिक्स अप द नियरेस्ट पोटैटो, मतलब वो 5 मीटर फर्स्ट वाला उठाएगी, रन्स बैक विथ इट एंड ड्रॉप्स इट इन द बकेट. ओके, सो वो यहाँ से यहाँ जाएगी, फिर वो वापस जाएगी. सो कितना डिस्टेंस काटेगी 5 + 5, दैट इज़ 10. ओके, नाउ बैक टू पिक अप द नेक्स्ट पोटैटो, रन्स टू द बकेट एंड ड्रॉप इट इन. ओके, तो सेकेंड पोटैटो के लिए क्या होगा 5 + 3, मतलब वो 8 मीटर जाएगी और 8 मीटर वापस आएगी. सो दिस इज़ 10 + 16. सो वी आर हैविंग द सेकेंड विथ 16. फिर ग्रेजुअली वो बढ़ता जाएगा. फॉर द थर्ड वी आर हैविंग 5 + 3 + 3, दैट इज़ 5 + 3 8, 8 + 3 11, 11 जाने का, 11 वापस वहाँ जाने का, मतलब 22. सो डिफरेंस वी आर हैविंग 10, 16, 22, 28, 34, etc. And we have to find how many distance the girl cover in this whole potato race. Okay, so let's just start writing with the distance of potatoes from the bucket. The distance of potatoes from the bucket क्या हो जाएगा, फर्स्ट डिस्टेंस था 5, उसके बाद ग्रेजुअली 3 मीटर अपार्ट, तो सब में हम 3 मीटर का डिस्टेंस ऐड करेंगे. 5 + 3 8, 8 + 3 11, 11 + 3 14 अप टू डैश. बट एज यू ऑल नो दैट कि उसको डिस्टेंस 2 बार कवर करना पड़ता है. एक बार वो लेने जाएगी, फिर वो उसको वापस रखने जाएगी, एक बार उसको लेने जाएगी, वापस उसको रखने जाएगी. तो ये जो डिस्टेंस है वो क्या हो जाएगा, डबल. सो we can write the distance covered is 2 times of the distance at which the potatoes have been kept. ओके, सो ये जो है वो डिस्टेंस है पोटैटो का, और जो डिस्टेंस कवर्ड बाय द गर्ल है वो क्या हो जाएगा, ट्वाइस. सो वी हैव टू राइट फर्स्ट टर्म का ट्वाइस हो जाएगा 10, 18 इज ट्वाइस 16, 22, 28 अप टू डैश. ओके, सो वी हैव टू फाइंड द टोटल डिस्टेंस कवर्ड बाय. सो टोटल डिस्टेंस कहाँ से मिलेगा, एस एन से मिलेगा. सो एस एन वी हैव टू फाइंड. दे हैव रन द 10 टाइम्स. सो दिस इज 10 first term, that is a is equals to 10, b is equals to 16 minus 10. so difference क्या हो जाएगा, 6. so therefore we are Sn is equals to n divided by 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into b. so this is 10 divided by 2 into bracket 2a into 10 plus 10 minus 1 into 6. so this is 5 into bracket 20 plus 9, 6 are 54. so this is 5 into 74. so 5 into 74 gives us 370. okay, so total distance covered by, therefore the competitor will run a total distance of 370 meter in this whole competition. okay, so we will just stop here and our chapter number 5 is completed. so as I told you in the previous video, if you are having any doubts regarding to this chapter or the textual exercise or examples, so you can just write it in a comment section. I will be surely in the consideration and make a video on that particular examples also. Till then, thank you. Please like, share and subscribe the channel.